Paying Discord Nitro using Fampay. In today's video, you are going to learn if you can pay your Discord Nitro using your Fampay accounts. So let's get started. First of all, you need to know this that Fampay's debit or credit card looks like this. After knowing this, you simply have to go to the Discord, and I'm just going to search for Discord and I will go to the website. In the Discord website, you have to click on the settings, a gear shaped icon in the bottom of the screen. Then in the settings, you have to search for Nitro and you will see it in billing settings. Then you have to select one of the Nitro subscription plan, and after clicking on one of the subscription plan, you just have to add it to your cart, and then you have to select the payment method. Then you will select the card as option, and then you have to add your Fampay card details here. Now you will click on the next option, and that's how you will be able to pay with Fampay on Discord Nitro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.